else. Imagine making your own liquid soap with just 3 ingredients. In fact, you only need to buy 2 out of those 3 ingredients because you already have the third one sitting right in your kitchen. No more watery soap, no wasting of money. Let's dive into the super easy DIY. For ingredients, we will need 250 grams of salt, a cup of Tesapon, and 125 grams of SLS. Okay? So I'm making 5 liters of soap today. So the first thing I want to do is to pour my water into the bowl. After that, take a little out of the water. We are going to use it later. So first thing first, let's dissolve our salt in the water. Sis, salt is not for stew only. Salt helps to thicken the soap like magic. Stir that very well and set it aside. So the next thing to do now is to soften the SLS. Start by soaking the 125 grams of SLS in the water we earlier took out of the 5 liters of water. Let it sit for a few hours, at least 2 hours, until it turns into a jelly-like paste. This helps it dissolve faster and give your soap a smooth finish. Okay? So after about 2 hours of soaking, shake the SLS and stir together again. Then the next thing to do is to transfer the dissolved SLS into the salt solution earlier prepared. Mix it thoroughly together so that everything can be well combined with the salt solution. Okay? Now that the SLS has been added, the next thing to go in with now is the Tesapon. Tesapon is the reason your soap gets all bubbly and foamy. Okay, so add your 200 ml of Tesapon, or about 1 cup, into the salt and SLS solution. Stir this gently for about 3 to 5 minutes until it blends well. You will start seeing foam and thickness already. That is it. After you have done all this and you have mixed everything thoroughly together, the next thing to do is to cover this soap and let it sit for about 12 to 24 hours. Okay? After about 12 or 24 hours, open up your soap. By this time, it is already thick and we can use the soap like that. Our soap is ready. But you can decide to take it further, especially if you are selling or you have little children at home, so that you can be able to differentiate between this soap and every other liquid at home. That's the reason why you have to add a little bit of color. So into a small cup or bowl, add a little bit of water. Dissolve any color of your choice. Today I'm going for pink. That's my favorite color too. So mix it with the little water and then stir that together. So after mixing everything thoroughly together, then transfer it to your liquid soap and mix everything until they are well combined. Okay? Mix until you are tired. And just like that, our liquid soap is ready. With just 3 ingredients, you've made for yourself a very rich, thick and foamy liquid soap. No more spending extra on store-bought ones. Okay? This one is very clean, is fresh, and the best part, you made it yourself. Isn't that beautiful? This soap is perfect for home use, like washing of plates, washing of clothes, cleaning surfaces and mopping of floor. It's also great for gifting, like friends and family or souvenirs in parties. And even better if you are thinking of starting a small business on this side. This soap is super easy, very affordable and easy to make. So if you have watched this video till this time, thank you very much. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your sister, friends, family or anyone who needs it. So until next time when I come your way again, stay kind, stay clean, stay creative. God bless you and bye.